just sew it down the center, okay? It's really thick plastic. See, in the factory they have special machinery to do this, and probably one person is sewing these on all day long, but I think it does you need a little bit. A thick one, the biggest one. Okay. So that just gives it a nice firmness to your collar so it lays flat. You can feel it in this one. Okay. Feel it. So this is going to be the under collar, because you wouldn't want this showing up here, right? So this is underneath. Do the other side too.
Does Ben